Hello students, today we will look upon how to select commands with the keyboard. We have the shortcuts for it. The easiest method for selecting commands on the ribbon, if you know, is to press the keyboard's Alt key and then type the letter of the hotkey that appears on the tab you want to select. Like if you want to select the page layout from your keyboard, you just press Alt and P alphabet. The page layout is selected. Likewise, if you want to select the review tab, you just press Alt R. Just wait. Alt R. It will show you the review tab. Excel displays all the command button hotkeys next to their buttons, along with the hotkeys for the dialog box launchers in any group on that tab. To select a command button or dialog box launcher, simply type its hotkey. You can see these are the hotkeys: L, C, PS, PW, whatever you are looking. The highlighted alphabets, they all are the hotkeys. You just press Alt and the hotkey and you will select that command. You can also select your commands by touch. If you are working on a tab or having a computer that is of touch screen, you simply tap the touch or mouse mode button that appears in the end of your quick customize bar. This is a bar. When you will work on a touchscreen computer, then you will have an option here. It will show you want to work on mouse or you want to work on touch. There will be an option if you will work on your tab or the touch screen. When you tap the button, a drop-down menu with two options. The options will be mouse, the second option will be touch. It will be appeared in front of you. Tap the touch option to put your touch screen, tablet or laptop into touch mode. This mode button is automatically added to the Excel 2016 Quick Access Toolbar only when running the program on a tablet or your personal computer that is equipped with a touch screen. It does not mean that you can't use it to switch between touch mode and mouse mode on a standard computer without touch screen technology. Now let us see how to customize the Quick Access Toolbar. This is your Quick Access Toolbar. You're having options of save, redo, undo, and you have a drop down here. So save button is here. Save is to save any changes made to the current workbook using the same file name, file format, and the location. The other option is undo. Undo is to undo the last editing, formatting, or layout change you made. The other one is redo. Redo is to reapply the previous editing, formatting, or layout change that you just removed with the undo button. The other one is the drop down. When you press this drop down, you will see so many options displaying in front of you. First option is new. New is to open a new worksheet. The other one is open. Open is to display the open dialog box for opening an existing workbook. The other one is save. Save is to save changes into your current workbook. Email is to open your mail. Quick print. It is to send the current worksheet to your default printer. Print, preview and print. It is to open the print panel in Backstage view with the preview of the current worksheet in the right pane. The other one is spelling. It is to check the current worksheet for spelling errors. Undo is to undo your latest work. Redo, it is to reapply the last edit. The other one is sort ascending. It is to sort the current cell selection or column in a A to Z alphabetical order, lowest to highest numerical order, or oldest to the newest date order. The other option is sort descending. It is to sort the current cell selection or column in Z to A alphabetical order, highest to lowest numerical order, or newest to oldest date order. The other option we discussed is touch or mouse mode. It is for the touch screen laptops or your tabs. So it is to switch in or out from your touch mode. When you select this command, this will add extra space around the command buttons on the individual ribbon tabs to make them easier to select on a touchscreen device, regardless of whether you tap with your finger or a stylus. So whenever you check any option, like you check on spelling, then it will be added to your access bar. Look, this option is added. When you open your drop down and you unselect this, then this will be removed from your access bar. Look. There is one more option, that is more commands. When you click this, you can see so many commands, command buttons. Look. Now, if you want to add any of them to your Access Toolbar, then you just select that command. Like if you want to add the borders, you just click on add. It will be added to your presenting list. You just press OK and you can see the borders command on the top of your quick access toolbar. If you want to remove this, you just go to more commands, select borders, remove, then this command will be removed from the quick access toolbar. This is removed. The last one option is show below the ribbon. When you select this command, your quick access bar will be shown below the ribbon. Select it. Okay. Here is your quick access toolbar. Let it be on the top. Show above the ribbon. Okay. Now it's here. This was all about how to customize the quick access toolbar menu commands. Thank you.